Greetings, food aficionados. Ever pondered over the culinary arts future in a world where age-old cooking traditions still breathe? It's a thrilling prospect to visualize the future's potential, especially in our tech-driven era. As technology becomes more entwined with our daily lives, the gastronomy world is not immune to this evolution. So let's delve into this exciting progression and the promising opportunities it presents. We're embarking on an electrifying expedition into the progressive world of culinary technology today, exploring the frontline developments at the intersection of food and science. From 3D food printing, the latest trailblazing concept sweeping through the culinary industry, to the AI-powered algorithms that are shaking up recipe development, the cooking landscape is undergoing a radical transformation. Imagine having the ability to print your food according to your exact taste preferences and nutritional requirements, or possessing a digital assistant that recommends recipes based on your current fridge inventory. The potentials are genuinely mind-boggling, but these advancements are more than just cookery facilitation tools. They're restructuring how we perceive and interact with food. Let's delve deeper into 3D food printing. This cutting-edge technology enables us to produce food with unmatched precision and personalization. It's an additive process where layers of material are systematically placed to create different shapes, guided by digital 3D models. Imagine printing perfectly shaped pasta, intricate chocolate designs, or nutritionally balanced meals tailored to individual dietary needs. This technology can revolutionize our food consumption, making it possible to customize food for specific nutritional needs, and adding a layer of complexity to presentation that was previously unimaginable. Next, let's explore the AI-powered recipe development. This technological wonder analyzes millions of data points from recipes worldwide, creating unique combinations of flavors and ingredients that might never occur to a human chef. Using machine learning algorithms, it can identify patterns and trends in global cuisine, suggesting innovative ingredient combinations and cooking techniques. It's this ability to spin out thousands of new recipes with distinct flavor profiles that makes this technology a game-changer in the culinary world. But the true essence of culinary innovation lies beyond the fascinating tech. It resides in its ability to tackle real-world issues. Imagine a future where nutritional requirements are met with precision, food waste is minimized, and creativity in the kitchen is accessible to all. Prepare yourself to be spellbound by the culinary innovations that are revolutionizing our food experience. The union of technology and cooking is transforming culinary art into a delightful and captivating science, destined to revolutionize our gastronomic experiences. The fusion of culinary art and technology is reshaping how we prepare and enjoy food. At the heart of this innovation is 3D food printing, an advancement that is opening up a realm of boundless creativity and precision. But what exactly is 3D food printing? Well, it's a technology that uses a digital file as a blueprint to create three-dimensional objects, in this case, food. It works in layers, depositing different ingredients precisely to form the food item. So imagine the ability to print out intricate edible designs that were once thought impossible to create by hand. From delicate chocolate masterpieces to complex pasta shapes, the potential is endless. But beyond aesthetics, it also allows for healthier, more sustainable choices. With 3D food printing, we can tailor meals to our individual dietary needs, whether that's low-carb, gluten-free, vegan, or something completely unique. Customized meals designed not only to tantalize your taste buds, but also to nourish your health. This level of personalization and convenience was previously unfathomable. In the professional culinary world, chefs, bakers, and other food artists can leverage this technology. It's a chance to redefine what's possible in the kitchen, to innovate and create like never before. But the implications of this technology extend beyond the present. Consider the potential for the future. Space travel, for instance. Astronauts could print their meals in space, or perhaps we might even see printed food in our supermarkets. Now, let's witness real-time action. Watch this, friends. With just some clicks, I can design and print these intricate chocolate sculptures. They're not only visually stunning, but they taste divine. The future of dessert making has never been this thrilling. As we delve into the transformative role of artificial intelligence in the culinary realm, we step into a world where gastronomic creativity is amplified to an unprecedented level. When we mention artificial intelligence, the images that usually spring to mind are those of futuristic robots, AI-driven customer service, and autonomous vehicles. However, the implications of AI extend far beyond these general assumptions, penetrating the realm of food and cooking in ways we'd never have imagined. Visualize a system where AI algorithms sift through and analyze millions of recipes. How does this work? These sophisticated algorithms are engineered to break down every conceivable ingredient combination, delving into the intricacies of flavor profiles, nutritional values, and even the cultural lineage of ingredients. The vast amounts of data these algorithms can process, a feat unattainable by human standards, paves the way for the birth of innovatively delectable new dishes. It's as if you have a culinary prodigy right at your disposal, but the wonder of AI within recipe development doesn't cease there. Beyond dish creation, it holds the potential to fundamentally alter our methodology in approaching food preparation. Consider the immense hours professional chefs dedicate to experimenting with diverse flavors. Now, conjure up a reality where AI shoulders this laborious task. By manipulating the strength of data, machine learning, and predictive analytics, AI can generate recipes that are not just mouth-watering, but also tailored for health and ecological sustainability. This groundbreaking approach has the potential to remodel the entire topography of the culinary. It can give birth to dishes that have never been heard of, let alone conceived. Furthermore, it offers a solution to health concerns related to diet by generating recipes that strike a balance between nutrition and flavor. It's about elevating our culinary experience with a keen eye on health and sustainability. And it's not merely targeted at professional chefs. Picture this. As a home cook, you have access to an AI that proposes recipes based on what's in your pantry, your dietary requirements, and your taste preferences. This could revolutionize home cooking, making it more accessible and enjoyable for everyone. The role of AI in culinary arts is transformative. By harnessing the power of data and machine learning, we can create recipes that don't just cater to the palate, but also optimize for health and sustainability. It's a win-win situation for both culinary professionals and consumers alike. Welcome, everyone, to a thrilling exploration into the future landscape of culinary arts, revolutionized by the awe-inspiring advancements in technology. We are now standing on the cusp of a new era that is set to redefine our very perception of food and cooking, with the advent of 3D food printing and AI recipe development. Picture this, a near future where we don't just cook our meals, but 3D print them. A world where we are not bound by the traditional methods of chopping and dicing, but instead, each ingredient is designed and constructed with precision. Imagine having the power to create any kind of food you fancy, from a juicy T-bone steak to a delightful macaron, all by merely pushing a button. The union of culinary arts and technology through the magic of 3D food printing is truly a game changer that opens up a world of creativity and precision previously unimaginable. On another note, the marvel of AI recipe development stands as an equally remarkable innovation. We are at the precipice of a radical shift, where artificial intelligence takes the reins in developing innovative recipes. The potential here is astounding, as AI combines flavors and ingredients in ways that would have remained untapped in human minds. Picture an AI-powered oven suggesting recipes based on what you have left in your fridge, or perhaps even tailor-making a unique recipe to meet your specific dietary needs and flavor preferences. The implications of these technological advancements are not just about innovation, but also steer towards a future of food that prioritizes personalization and sustainability. Beyond conjecture, we are witnessing the onset of an imminent reality, where cooking processes are not only more efficient and creative, but also more enjoyable. The future of food, as is driven by technology, is about precision nutrition and zero-waste cooking. We're embarking on a journey that transcends the utilitarian approach and transforms food into an experience that caters to individual tastes and nutritional requirements. So here we are, on the precipice of a new culinary world, where the boundaries of what's possible are constantly being expanded thanks to the forward march of technology. The culinary innovations we are about to experience are truly unprecedented. So, are you all set to embark on this tantalizing journey into the future of food? Before we wrap up this fascinating exploration into the future of food, we have a small request. If you enjoyed this video and our deep dive into the technological innovations shaping our culinary experiences, don't forget to hit that like button. Your likes are a great way to show your support and keep us motivated to bring you more such exciting content. And if you have friends or family who are tech enthusiasts or food lovers, or a delightful combination of both, do share this video with them. They might just find their next dinner party conversation starter right here. Finally, if you haven't done so yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon to stay updated on our latest releases. We have a lot more exciting content in store, exploring the intersections of technology, food, and our daily lives. So, let's continue this journey together into the ever-evolving world of culinary technology. Stay tuned, stay curious, and remember, the future of food is just a click away. All right, guys, that's about it for today. Hopefully you learned something new. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up. While you're at it, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a future video.